Welcome to another edition of Jesse Tries. And today I'm going to try Trader Joe's organic roasted seaweed with sea salt. 30 calories, 3% total fat, which is 2 grams, 3% sodium, which is 75 milligrams, 0% total carbohydrate, which is 1 gram, 4% dietary fiber, which is somehow less than 1 gram of protein, 0% calcium, but despite that it's 10 milligrams, 2% iron, which is 0.3 milligrams, 2% potassium, which is 70 milligrams. Its ingredients are organic seaweed, organic high sunflower oil, and sea salt. And only 30 calories. 30 calories. Oh, it's the oil. It's oily. Ugh. It looks like one of those dried up wolf shingles or dried up green paper. It looks like dried up paper that's been crinkled up. No scent. And as for taste, it's... The sea salt makes it a little better. It's a little rough to eat, a little tough to eat. The sea salt makes it a little better. It's not great, but pretty good. It has little or no flavor. It's very oily. I mean, for God's sake, the oil probably went through. It went through the tray. Oh God! I give this a C minus. I give this a C minus.